it up like so. Loosen these shits while it's on the ground. Once this side's done, we can go to that side and do the same thing. Loosen all these ones on this side. Then you're gonna jack this bitch up. I do not have jack stands. So in your case, if you do not have jack stands, which I just forgot then, be very careful. And you can jack it up. In this case, we don't have a jack stand, so I put the tire underneath. I mean, it's not the way you're supposed to do it, but and here we are. Back to this. Get some bolts for the caliper. 9/16 for the caliper. Remove the caliper. I'll put it back up here and then put the bolts back in like this. We can take this shit off. Our old hardware don't look bad, but we got new ones, so here we are. Anything with metal to metal contact, this. Boom. And then now you just need your two arms. Now you put the caliper back on. Alright, now everything you just did to this side, you gotta do the other side. It's the other side. The other side look worse. I just realized something I did not show you on the other side. Is taking this shit out and greasing this shit up. There we go. Take it out, clean it, and re-grease it. Hit the brake 30 times until it's hard. All right, that's good. Drop this. Let's go test drive it.